Good morning, we're just waking up here for day 2 in Siquijor. We've got a busy day ahead of us.
Yeah, we're gonna go to 2 waterfalls, then we're gonna find the old tree that have fish at the bottom in a pond that bite your feet.
We've got a lot of driving ahead of us, so let's get going.
So we just got here to the falls. It is beautiful, and because we came right when they opened, there's only 2 other people here, which is luxury. When we came yesterday, there were so many people you couldn't even see.
Yeah, it is so awesome. The water is just nice and clean, and there's nobody in it, which makes for great pictures and drone footage. Alright, it has been beautiful here. We've had a lot of fun, but it's time to get going. We're moving on to the next falls.
So we just got here to Alexandraandowen Falls. There's actually 12 waterfalls. They're called the Zodiac Falls, and they look incredible.
We're the first ones here today, so we get the falls all to ourselves, which is really nice. So we just drove from the waterfalls to the century-old bolete tree.
There's a fish spa underneath, and it looks beautiful. I can't wait to explore.
It's so weird. Like, it doesn't hurt, it just tickles a lot. Like, you can just feel them like nipping at your feet.
I can't do it.
I don't think you'll be able to do it. No. This is so weird.
I don't like when fish touch my feet in the ocean, let alone willingly letting them eat my feet. I'm gonna try it just because it's a life experience, but I hate fish. Oh, I don't know if I can do it.
I don't think she's gonna last very long.
I don't know if I can do it.
Just stick one foot in.
Oh no.
Just stick it in there.
What does it feel like?
It just feels like little nibbling tickles. It doesn't hurt. It just tickles.
That was very weird.
I know, right? It's not what I thought it was going to be at all.
Does that count as trying?
It's probably the best we're gonna get.
Okay, I'll try one more time.
Okay, one more time.
No. They're not liking my pizza. So we're just finishing up here at the Central Boliti tree. It was a very cool experience. I really hate fish touching my feet. That's why I wear my swim shoes every time I go in the ocean. This was kind of an experience. As you can see, I didn't do very well, but at least I tried.
Yeah, I don't think she liked it very much. I was fine with it. It felt very weird. I was giggling like crazy because it tickles and you can kind of feel like the fish's like teeth kind of like scraping over your feet, but it tickles a lot.
So now we're gonna head back to the hotel and then we're gonna go to the beautiful little cafe by us for some brunch. So we just got back to the hotel. We had a very exciting morning. I'm actually really proud of how fast we got through it all. We're trying to stick to a budget, so luckily we had a 24-hour scooter rental, and since we didn't rent it until 10:30 yesterday morning, I had a bright idea that if we could make it back by 10:30 this morning and get everything done this morning, then we would only have to pay for one day instead of 2.
I didn't think we were actually going to do it, but we did. Getting up at 6 o'clock in the morning and going to all the places was really nice actually, because all of the waterfalls were empty. We were the only ones there, which made it really nice. And then we actually made it back on time, so we only had to pay for one day.
Yeah, it was really exciting. And now we're gonna go try the really cute cafe. They've also got a breakfast menu that looks really good. They've got waffles and French toast and smoothies. So we're gonna go there for some brunch and then come back and work for the afternoon. I actually ended up twisting my ankle at the Zodiac Falls, so I can't really walk too far for today at least. Hopefully it goes down by tomorrow. We do have to pack. It does take us a long time to pack all of our stuff because by the time we take it out and then put it back in, it's like an hour and a half. And tomorrow we're off again.
So also one of the really good things about going first thing in the morning to all the different places is that it was still cool outside. It is really hot right now, so I'm glad that we missed it.
Yeah, it means less sunscreen, and I don't think I could have done any of those hikes with the sun as hot as it is right now, or else I would have just sweated my life away.
Yep, morning's definitely the way to do it.
I'm very excited. These waffles look incredible.
Those waffles were out of this world, just perfect to fill us up until dinner later.
Yeah, they were actually really filling. This is our last meal at our favorite restaurant. This is by far, hands down, our favorite restaurant that we've had in the Philippines.
Yeah, it's been really great. The burgers are really good. We're gonna try some pizza tonight, and it's really cheap too compared to a lot of the places that we've been, which makes it even better.
And it's gourmet. Like, it looks incredible. Inside is adorable. Like, I feel like I'm in a little New York cafe, but it's half the price.
We've managed to sit in the same table every single time that we've come here. It's great. Goodbye, Restaurant 24. Fed us really well.
It was delicious. The hamburgers were out of this world. We had to get one more. We were just gonna get fries in our pizza, and then we decided we need to have one more hamburger just because it was so good.
And that pizza was really good. It was a really nice way to end off our stay here in Siquijor.
So that is it for today. We're wrapping up early. We got to pack all of our stuff up. The next couple of days are extremely busy for the next week. We move and move and move and move and move. And in the middle, we have a special trip that we're not going to talk about yet. But we only have like 2, 1, 2, 1, and then we finally get a break. So it's going to be very hectic for the next couple of days. Tomorrow we're on a ferry to Bohol. We're going to go stay in Panglao on Alona Beach for 2 days, which is really exciting.
Yeah, we're going to go try and check out the Chocolate Hills, go to the beach, and then just experience Bohol as much as we can.